Yo, what is up guys, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to play the Division Resurgence on your PC through emulator. So it's very easy guys. So before I start the video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna show you the process how you can play the Division Resurgence mobile on your PC through emulator. So let's go. So first of all, come to the Google guys and type Momo Player. As you can see right now, Momo Player, and hit the enter and go to the first link. Okay, download this emulator from here. Okay, then after that install the emulator on your PC. So I already installed it, so let me show you guys. This is my emulator. You can see I already installed that. Next step, what you're gonna do, just go to the settings, emulator settings. Okay, here is it, as you can see, device settings. Click here and follow all the settings what I did. So you just follow me. Okay, these are the settings as you can see, and this is the performance, and you can put in the Vulkan and performance setting, put medium, and come to the GPU. So this is always you do auto tuning. Okay, then next you have to turn on this one and don't do. Next, come to display. So whatever you want to need display, whatever you want, choose wise yourself. So next, as you can see, come to the little bit down and see here's the FPS setting. You have to make it to 60. Okay, be careful. So these are the settings, and these are the on. Next, sound settings, you should make sure whatever your device, you just select it here. Okay, next, no need to change other. Our final setting is the model. The model is very important guys. Okay, you have to select the model, which model you run this game. So I'm gonna select, I selected Samsung Galaxy and Samsung S24 Plus Snapdragon. This is the best way to support this game run smoothly. So you can experiment other device also, but this is the best I guess, because I play to these settings, so that's why I'm telling you. Okay, after that you just close it and restart the emulator and go to your Play Store. Okay, next game, search, type your game, the Division Resurgence. Click here and just install from here. Okay, after that, when you're done, just close, go back. Okay, or maybe you can minimize. Okay, go back from here, just close it. After install, just click here. Okay, and you have to wait. Okay, the game is load up. Just give me a minute. So I found a lot of emulators, but it's not working. But this is the best emulator you can play, the Division Resurgence. It's very good emulator. So I play a lot of hours in this emulator. So you select your server, whatever you have. Sorry for the bad English guys, don't mind. So this is my character. You can see I'm going to the select agent. You have to wait. If you want to do full screen, just press F11, then the screen will go big. Okay, as you can see right now guys, this is my game. First time when you enter the game, so your mouse will not working. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna press console button from your keyboard. Just press console button and see your mouse will be work so fine. Look, the game is work so smooth. If you want to do some change settings, graphic settings, so go to the, again press console button, so your mouse cursor will come, and go to the settings. Let me show you guys. I think this one, yeah, settings, this settings, and go to graphic settings. You can change. So I recommend you guys, you can set this on high frame, and this is graphic setting medium, put in the medium. Okay, and resolution standard is good. So come to a little bit down, as you can see the shadow, whatever you want, you just change whatever you need. Okay, I don't need this settings, so I play with the normal one. So yeah, so let's back to the game, and as you can see, I can press console button. Look, the game's so smooth, right? Look, the game runs so smoothly. As you can see, how many FPS you are getting right now. See, here the monitor, as you can see. So let's go. My game is working so fine. You can follow like that, and you can play the Division and enjoy the game, guys. This is the way you can play, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about the game, and if you have any problem, you are not facing any problem, just let me know in the comment. I will help you out. And you can customize your key binding from here. Not here actually, from here I guess. Let me show you this one. You can edit your control, whatever you need. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If helpful this video for you, so please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys, take care.